everyone, welcome back to Easy Byte. Today we are covering structure and union with quick MCQs to boost your skills. Test your knowledge. Pause the video if you need more time and see how many you get right. Let's get started. What is a structure in C? Options are a collection of different data types, a loop, a function, and a file. Option A is correct. A structure groups variable of different type under one name. Which keyword is used to define a structure? Options are class, struct, union, and typedef. Option B is correct. Struct is used to declare structure in C. What is the output of the following? Options are 1, 2, xy, error, and 2, 1. Option A is correct. It prints values of member x and y of struct P. How to access structure member? Options are given below. Option A is correct. We use dot operator to access member from struct variable. How to access structure member via pointer? Options are given below. Option B is correct. We use arrow operator to access members via pointer. Can structures be nested in C? Options are yes, no. Option A is correct. Structure can have other structure as members. What is the size of this structure? Options are 5, 8, 4 and depends on compiler. Option D is correct. Size varies due to padding or alignment rule by compiler. Which of the following is a correct way to declare a structure? Options are given below. Option A is correct syntax. Use struct keyword followed by name. Can structures have function in C? Options are yes and no. Option B is correct. C struct cannot contain functions. Only C++ supports this. What does typedef do in structures? Options are allocates memory, declares function, creates alias for structures, and call constructor. Option C is correct. Typedef creates a new name for a type. What is the output of the following code? Options are 10, error, item, and undefined. Option A is correct. Typedef allow uses of item as a type name. Can structure members be private? Options are yes and no. Option B is correct. C does not support access modifiers like private. What is a union in C? Options are like struct but memory is shared, multiple classes, function pointers, and a database. Option A is correct. Union stores all members in the same memory location. In a union, memory is shared among options are all members, no members, only one member at a time, and functions only. Option C is correct. Only one member can hold a value at any moment. Which is true about union size? Options are size equals sum of all members, size equals size of largest member, size equals size of int only, and unknown. Option B is correct. Union size equals its largest member size. What is the output of following code? Options are A, 65, error, and 0. Option A is correct. 65 is ASCII for A. Union saves memory. Can unions have pointers? Options are yes and no. Option A is correct. Unions can have pointer members. Which keyword defines an enumeration? Options are enum, list, defined, and type. Option A is correct. Enum defines enumerated types. What is the default value of first enum item? Options are 1, 0, undefined, and 255. Option B is correct. Enum starts at 0 by default. What is the value of blue here? Options are 1, 2, 3, and error. Option C is correct. Values increment from the explicitly set 1. What is the output of the following code? Options are 1, 2, 3 and 0. Option C is correct. Can enums be assigned custom values? Options are yes and no. Option A is correct. Which is true about enum? Options are enum values are integers, enum values are floats, enum values are strings, and none. Option A is correct. Enum values represent integral constants. What is the output of the following? Options are 5, 6, 0 and error. Option B is correct. Which statement is correct? Options are enum is a user-defined data type, enum is a function, enum is a constant pointer, and enum is a macro. Option A is correct. Enum is a user-defined data type which can be used to represent named integer constants. Options are hash defined, enum, const, and all of the above. Option D is correct. All of the above can define constant in C. Can enums be used in switch case? Options are yes and no. Option A is correct. Enums values can be used as case labels. What is the output of this code? Options are 1, mon, 0 and error. Option A is correct. Mon is the second enum item, means default value is 1. Are enums type safe in C? Options are yes and no. Option B is correct. C enums are not strictly type safe. Which of the following is true? Options are enum saves memory, enums improve code readability, enum allows symbolic names, and all of the above. Option D is correct. Enum enhances readability, save memory, and use symbols. How many did you get right? Comment below your score and any questions you have. Thanks for watching. In the next video, we will cover MCQs on file handling. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to EasyByte. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring.